Hello, direct mail marketers. If you're looking for free stamps, then I highly recommend you join this flyer program, Mail for Pay Stamp Club. All you have to do is mail a book of stamps to each person on this list. That's all you're going to do. There's no money exchanging hands whatsoever. All you're doing is mailing a book of stamps to each person on the list. Then in return, you will receive a flyer just like the one I have with your name on it. Then you can promote your flyer, and in return, you will get books of stamps for free. Now here's the good part. I've teamed up with my good friend and mentor, Michael Jensen. Now Michael Jensen will have your flyers printed and mailed for you, so you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just sign up, get involved with the flyer program, and then contact Michael. I'm going to leave his link in the description box below. You contact Michael and he'll print out 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and mail them for you, 4,000, whatever you want. You need to talk to Michael about that. But he's my good friend, and he's been my mentor for some time now. And he's really true to his word. He's an honest man. He will do what he says he's going to do. So I'd like for you to go ahead and print out the flyer in the description box. I'm going to leave a link. Print it out. Sign up and get your flyer with your name on it. If you don't feel like mailing out flyers, you don't have to. Like I said, contact Michael down below, and Michael will have your flyers printed and mailed for you. As many as you like. Just talk to Michael. So I'd love to have you on our team, and let's start getting free stamps, because stamps are expensive. Everybody knows that. And this is one way we can cut cost. If you're trying to be successful in your direct mail marketing business, you know how expensive stamps can be. So let's go ahead and everybody get on board. Let's have a good old time. And contact Michael if you don't want to mail out any flyers. I hope you go ahead and sign up and get on our team. Thanks for watching the video. Take care, and bye-bye.